I am Learnkit Michael and I will talk about the conclusion of sugary taxation. And recently, taxation on sugary drinks has become a tool to improve population diets. However, the economic impact of taxation is limited, and we think that this is not a perfect policy to take into account the benefits between consumer and the government. And these are the three main reasons. Firstly, taxation seems that punishing bad eating behavior rather than rewarding good choices. Taxation on sugary drinks is an effective intervention to reduce sugar consumption, but all people in the society need to bear the taxation of the drinks. This will cause a negative impact to those people who are being in good eating habits. Also, in addition to sugary drinks, other factors, for example, bad eating habits are also the main cause of obesity. Some fast food stores such as McDonald's, KFC will also provide much more unhealthy food, so it can prove that sugary drinks is not the only one factor of obesity. Lastly, establishing taxes may be effective in the short term, but it also increases the burden of the poor on the sugary drinks, as they need to pay more money to buy the sugary drinks. This policy of taxation is not comprehensive enough to both sides. Although the taxation of sugary drinks has brought a lot of benefits, its problems far outweigh the benefits it has created. Therefore, sweetened drinks should not be taxed by the government.